What's going on, guys? Corey, Mark Twain Hobby Center here. Today we're unboxing the new first delivery Mercedes-Benz G500 based on the TRX-4 chassis, so let's take a look. Alright, so we've got this guy out of the box now. I'm absolutely impressed with it. Compared to the Bronco, this guy definitely pushes the bar up even higher than what they were able to do with the Bronco and the Blazer. They kept the style with the blinkers, the mirrors, the headlights, the taillights, all light ready. You've got the chrome-plated front bumper, side steps tied directly into the fender flares. You've got the mirrors, the door handles, the trim pieces, the wipers. As you saw, we just removed all of the protective wrapping. They've done probably the best job with this guy, protectively wrapping this guy. Packaging shipped really well. So, now that we've talked about enough of the outside of this guy, let's take the body off, take a quick look underneath. This is based on the TRX-4 chassis 12.3-inch wheelbase. It's going to contain all your standard waterproof electronics that Traxxas offers, a 2075X servo, metal gear. You've got your internal 2-speed and your locker servo, cable driven here, 3S rated, waterproof speed controller with the heatsink and available fan, I believe. You've got your adjustable battery tray. You can also run a 16 scale battery up front for weight distribution if you'd like, rather than the standard battery. It's ready for rock lights through the inner fender liners, your aluminum GTR crawler shocks, aluminum lung control arms, and underneath here we've got the exhaust now properly displayed and through the sides.